Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota Supra JZA80 and this is by Majorette. So this is from their semi-premium series which costs around 399 rupees, that is MRP. So only one sad thing about this is we used to get cards here, like it has the actual cars detailing. Let me show you one example or some which I actually keep it kept it out. See, these are the castings which I unboxed some time back last year. So you can see this particular thing. This used to come with this particular series. I really miss this one. I actually have an album of this. This is the only thing I didn't put it in album yet. I will be doing that soon. Okay. So with that said, let's unbox this. Someone actually told me an idea how to. Yeah, there is something here, but I don't know how to open this. Anyway, I'm not going to waste time there. So let's just. Okay. So here is the card art. So the card art looks really great, and it actually features the whole car there along with this sakura on the side. I mean, that's a flower. This looks really beautiful. Okay, let me put this aside. Let's get on to the casting now. Okay, so this time they did something really different, which is this particular piece here that holds the hood and the rest of the car separate. Okay, this actually feels a bit heavy compared to those. Okay, first of all, let me remove this piece. Okay, let's talk about the casting now. The casting is actually heavy and it looks really good. So you can see the interior here, that looks really cool. I really like the way they actually go with this transparent windshield instead of the tinted out versions like Hot Wheels does, because this actually gives a clear picture of the interior. And it has acrylic headlights here, that is really neat. It does have a little bit of, I think, scratch. Okay, the Toyota logo is placed really nice, does not messed up. So it has tail light detail as well. You can see the Toyota logo, Toyota name badge and the Supra badge as well. So the chassis actually has a very little bit of detailing to it. So this is a full metal body including the spoiler here and the plastic chassis here. So the tires are actually plastic, and it has suspension, and as you guys saw, it has openable part, the engine bay. That does look really nice. I'm really glad that at least they didn't paint like they do it in Matchbox, right? Matchbox, they usually just paint all the details instead of giving the actual cast, like die cast there. So one neat detailing here is it has wiper detailing as well. It has rear view mirror details. So whole, it is actually a complete package if you ask me. And even the door handles, you can see it is embossed a little bit. Okay, so let me weigh this casting. I forgot to take I forgot to take my weighing machine out. Just give me 1 second. Okay, here it is. Okay, let me see. So that is 41 grams. Not bad. It actually comes closer to Hot Wheels Premium when it comes to the weight. So let's try to roll this casting now. Anyway, I don't worry about majority, whether it rolls or not, but still, it does roll good. Okay. Yeah, it does roll good. Not great, but good. Yeah, it does roll really good. So let's rate this casting now. So again, the little bit of paint issues here and there, you can see that is specific to mine. Yours won't have this, so don't worry about it. But apart from that, it has all the detailings to it, and it is a very heavy casting. And for a major, it does it does roll really well. So I am giving a 10 out of 10 for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.